This is the interface of the IPL system. It has pulse number. It has the pulse delay, which some people call pulse delay, some people call duration. But the level is the energy. We can adjust energy. And the cooling is when you are doing the IPL treatment, the crystal part of the handle will be cool. When you are touching the skin with the handle, it can help you to cool the skin, to protect the superficial skin. So the cooling system also very important. They also need to know how to use the cooling system very well also. Meanwhile, for protecting the skin, give enough energy to go inside of the skin and to do a good treatment. Can protect the superficial skin and also can do that a deep treatment. That's very important. So for some machines, the cooling system can be adjusted. It's like there is a cooling button. You can open the cooling or turn off the cooling. But for some machines, it cannot be like that. When you are checking the machine, you can also check the cooling system. Next one. But not all the machines are having the cooling system. So it depends. The rest are fine. The counter, there's how many numbers already being shouted. And here is the pulse width. And this is a basic knowledge of IPL. Normally when people are having IPL, and they know this. And this doesn't have too much differences on the machine. And also the pulse number, pulse delay, and doesn't have too much differences on the IPL system between different brands.